Welcome to BeBalance, your online sanctuary. Take a breath, place a hand on your body, wherever you need it most. Feel the weight of that hand, the warmth, the steadiness. You are safe here. You are held in truth. This space was made for you. Let your breath slow. Let your shoulders drop. You don't have to be anywhere else. You don't have to be anyone else. You are allowed to just be. And when you're ready, you might gently ask yourself, how does this meditation make me feel? There's no right answer, just whatever arises. Let it guide you home to yourself. Because what you are about to do isn't just healing, it's a return to your voice, to your truth, and to your power. You don't have to justify your boundaries. You don't have to explain your worth. You are here now. And this space, this space is where you remember just who you are. Take a deep breath in and let it go. Again, inhale through your nose for 4 and hold for 4. Exhale through your mouth for 4. Let your breath arrive fully in your body. Let yourself be supported by the ground beneath you. Nothing to prove, nothing to fix. Just this moment. Now, breathe gently into the center of your pelvis, the seat of your power. Now into your heart, the keeper of your worth. Now into your throat, the home of your voice. You are safe to be here. You know what? You are safe to take up space. Now whisper to yourself, this body is mine. This voice is mine. This space is mine. You do not belong to fear. You do not belong to other people's expectations or anything else. You belong to yourself, and that is more than enough. You have power over yourself. Feel your spine lengthen, your jaw unclench, your belly soften. Not because you are small, because you no longer carry what isn't yours. Now let each phrase become a reclamation, a vow, say the phrase and give you time to repeat after me and just receive the frequency. I trust myself to recognize truth. I no longer silence myself to make others comfortable. My energy is sacred. No one else gets access if they don't deserve it. Not everyone is worthy. My no is sacred. My yes is aligned. I set the tone in every room I enter. I am not here to be liked. I am here to be real, to be respected, to respect myself. I love myself, and that love is more powerful than anyone else's. I allow others to love me and respect me on my terms. Breathe that in. Let it settle in your bones. You are not cold. You are clear. You are not mean. You are wise. You are not dramatic. You are just done shrinking. Now let's move on to a little visualization. Imagine a doorway before you, a threshold of light behind you, the pain, the self-doubt, the versions of you who thought you had to be quiet to be safe, small to stay safe. Ahead of you, clarity, discernment, self-respect, magnetism. You walk forward slowly, and as you cross, you say to yourself, I step forward, cloaked in dignity, discernment, and fire. I reclaim the pieces of me I unintentionally gave away. I don't owe softness or niceness to those who hurt me. I walk with truth in my spine and love in my chest. I choose to embody my own power. Take your time. This is your return. You are not what happened to you, or how others seem to behave from time to time. You are what you choose to do with it instead. You are not broken, you are becoming. You are the boundary, you are the standard, you are the voice, the pulse, the power. Let this be your vow. I am power embodied. I protect my peace, my worth. I own my truth, and I lead my life with clarity and command. I don't need anyone's permission. And when you're ready, open your eyes and come back to the present moment. Thank you for joining me here for a power session at BeBalance.